Have you ever stopped to wonder why bats are the only mammals that can truly fly? This question is not just a random musing, it's a fascinating enigma that has puzzled scientists for years. Bats, with their delicate wings and nocturnal habits, are an exception in the mammalian world. They aren't just gliding from point A to point B like a flying squirrel. Oh no. Bats are embarking on full-fledged flights, navigating the night sky with an ease that would make any bird jealous. Their unique ability to fly is just one of the many aspects that make bats stand out. But how did these creatures come to rule the night skies? The answer to this question takes us on a journey through time, a journey that explores the evolution of bats. From their earliest ancestors to the diverse species we see today, the story of bats is a tale of adaptation and survival. To understand the bats of today, we delve into their past, tracing back millions of years to their origins. The story of bats begins around 50 million years ago, an era lost in the mists of time, yet we have a fascinating glimpse into it thanks to a fossil named Icharonycteris. This ancient creature, discovered in the Green River Formation in Wyoming, is one of the earliest known bat fossils. It already possessed the hallmarks of modern bats: long fingers supporting a membranous wing and a structure of the ear that suggests it could echolocate, just like many of its modern descendants. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel of evolution that is flight. Bats are the only mammals that have truly mastered this feat, and it's not something that happened overnight. It's believed that their flight evolved from tree-dwelling ancestors who would glide from branch to branch. Over time, mutations that enhanced this gliding ability, such as longer fingers and a membrane stretching between them, would have offered survival advantages, eventually leading to the true flight we see in bats today. But the story doesn't end there. Over the course of millions of years, bats have diverged into two main groups: the fruit bats, also known as megabats, and the microbats. Megabats are typically larger and rely on their keen eyesight to find food, while microbats are smaller, often possessing sophisticated echolocation abilities to navigate and hunt in the dark. Despite these differences, all bats share certain adaptations that suit their nocturnal flying lifestyle. Their compact bodies minimize drag, their sharp teeth are perfect for their diet of insects or fruit, and their specialized immune systems help them withstand diseases that would decimate other species. Over millions of years, bats have evolved into over 1,400 different species, each with their unique adaptations and ways of life. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the intricate dance between organisms and their environment that has allowed these fascinating creatures to thrive in nearly every corner of the globe. But why should we care about these night-flying creatures, you may ask? Well, bats are more than just fascinating mammals that have evolved to fly. They are integral components of our ecosystems, performing tasks that benefit our planet in significant ways. Firstly, bats are nature's pest control. A single bat can consume thousands of insects in just one night, keeping bug populations in check and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Imagine a world without bats. We'd be overrun by bugs. Secondly, bats are critical pollinators. Just like bees, many bats help to pollinate flowers as they feed on nectar, aiding in the production of fruits that we humans enjoy, such as bananas, avocados, and mangoes. Lastly, they play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Fruit-eating bats scatter seeds far and wide, contributing to forest regeneration and biodiversity. Despite their importance, bats face numerous threats, including habitat loss and disease. As we come to understand their evolution and role in our world, we can appreciate just how vital bats are to our planet. Bats, the only mammals capable of sustained flight, have a fascinating evolutionary history. From the earliest fossil records to the myriad species we see today, bats have evolved in remarkable ways. They've taken on roles as diverse as their species, from pollinators to pest controllers. These nocturnal acrobats are not simply creatures of the night. They are integral to the balance of our ecosystems. So, next time you see a bat, remember, they're not just creatures of the night, but important players in our world's ecosystems. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that we might be able to bring more interesting videos. Thank you.